This could be the car for you. The 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take life's challenges in stride in the fully capable Tahoe. Spacious and quiet, athletic and safe, it's a powerful ally awaiting your command. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, third row seat, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, seat memory. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.